LOTSSY is important to me because it allows me to meet Jewish teens like myself that I wouldn't be able to meet otherwise. As I go to public school, I have a lack of opportunities to meet both Jewish and like-minded people to me that share similar Jewish values. Because of LOTSSY, I've been able to meet some amazing people and make lifelong friendships that I'm so grateful for.
Temple Sinai's LOTSSY program is something that I find has a lot of meaning in my life because I understand how important it is to have a community and to have a strong Jewish identity, especially with what's going on in the world today. And being able to speak with these teens in my youth group allows us to share our experiences and learn from each other. And I think it has made my Jewish identity feel so much stronger and has made me feel so much happier with being a Jew and proud of being a Jew. We've also done a lot of fun programs that have connected me to my own Jewish identity, as I went to Israel about 2 or 3 years ago, and I was able to learn with my friends in my youth group all about Israel and its history, and we just had the same Israelis from Modi'in come to us, and it's so amazing how through our youth group we can form these connections that we wouldn't expect to make, because I would never see myself forming such close connections and in 5 days feeling so attached to these people all the way across the world. And I think it's so amazing the way that our community works.
Beyond grateful to have been part of LOFT for the past 4 years. As someone who doesn't go to a school with many Jewish students, LOFT has provided me the warm environment with so many Jewish peers that I've been able to become so close with at my time at Temple. The best part this year was for sure when the Israelis came. We had such a great time, and it was so amazing to connect with Israelis my own age and let them experience Toronto.
My name is Sadie, and coming to LOFT every Tuesday usually meant free pizza and free snacks. But then it turned into a community, a place where I felt safe, seen, and valued. I have reconnected with so many of my friends from the past years, strengthened connections with new people, and I really understood who I am in my Jewish identity. It's given me the opportunity to connect with Jewish teenagers all around the world. For example, my favorite trip when we went to Israel, March 2023. This was so meaningful to me, and I'm forever grateful for the people I went on it with, the experiences I got to have, the connections I made with the Israeli teens, and the bonds I formed with my older brother who went as well. I started on the board last year in grade 11 as programming vice president. I loved the dynamic and how I had a role. This year, I came back as the president, and it's so special to me that I get this role and I'm able to shape LOFT into a safe community for years to come. I couldn't have done it without the help of my fellow board members and our amazing youth leader, Lauren. I'm going off to university next year, and honestly, I'm so sad to go, but it's been one of my favorite parts of high school. And like I've said, I'm so grateful for this community, and I can't wait to see the development. in the next few years.